In today's video, I'm going to cover some of the tips and tricks that you need to know about your Tesla, and I'm starting right now. There's been plenty of times in my garage or in a low-hanging area where I was afraid to open up my trunk because it was set to the wrong height, but now that's no longer the case. I no longer have to crawl over the seat just to get whatever I need out, because you can pause that trunk, and this is how you would do that. Here on your full screen visualization, this is so cool now. You can come back here to the trunk and you can press it. And as the trunk is going to open, you're going to see a pause. And watch this. I hit pause and now the trunk is paused halfway. So you can see it right there. And if you want to close it from there, if you go on and come back over here and hit where it says close, now your trunk will close. Also, let's talk about the trip progress bar. Below the turn-by-turn list on your navigation, you'll see a progress bar that changes as you drive closer to your destination or your next stop. The progress bar also reflects real live traffic conditions on your route if you have online routing turned on. It's what you want to do is come over here to your car menu. We're going to come over here and we're going to go where it says navigation. And right here, you want to make sure that online routing is turned on. And for real-time traffic and road conditions to appear on your car, it does require premium connectivity. And another cool feature about your Tesla is that you can customize your horn sound. But let me let you know up front, a few years ago, you were able to do this whenever you were driving. However, now Tesla has restricted that. Only whenever the car is in park can you customize the horn sounds. But it is a lot of fun whenever I'm picking my daughter up from school or something like that, and I'm in park and carpool, and I have the car making all of these fun sounds. But let's go over to the car right now, and I will show you exactly how you can customize these horn sounds on your car just for some entertainment. So from our screen here, we're just going to come down to the toy box. The icon looks just like that. And the first section is called Boombox. Now from Boombox here, you can also customize your lock sounds. However, we're talking about the horn sound right now. And you can choose from different options, like you have a fart here. It's sounding like that on the outside of the car as well. And two, you have a push.
I never.
And all of this is made possible by the external speaker on your car. So let me just say this, some of the older Model 3s do not have the external speaker, but right here on your passenger side, right up under this tire here, you do have an external speaker. So all of those sounds that you heard inside of the car on the preview, it will be on the outside of the car as well if your car is equipped with an external speaker. Now, this next feature I mentioned to one of my friends and they were blown away, because before, like recently, Tesla did not have this on all of the cars. It was only available if you have the FSD package. And I am talking about full screen driver visualization. In other words, now your full screen will show what the driver should see. So right now I'm here driving. In order to get this full screen driver visualization on, I'm just going to take my finger right here. It's like a little line here, and just drag it right over. And you no longer need FSD in order to make this happen. If you want to go back to the split screen like a traditional screen on your Tesla, you can come over here and drag it right back. Or another way to do that, have your GPS visualization right over here. You can just click on that one time and it will go back to double screen. So go on and share that with a Tesla owner or somebody that you feel that may not know that, because it is like a game changer, especially if you don't like that split screen. And this is another great feature for you to know, that your Tesla now has a speed camera chime. So whenever you are approaching one of those speed traps that's on the side of the road, where it's a little camera that will record your license plate if you're speeding in a particular area, your car will alert you before it's reaching that known speed camera. Now the unknown ones is probably not going to alert you, but if there's already one that's in place that the car already knows about, if it's already documented there on the Google Maps or the Tesla map or whatever, it's going to tell you that, and that way you can like reduce your speed before you get to it. So those are some of the tips and tricks that you need to know about your Tesla, but there are so many more that you need to know that not even Tesla owners know about, and I'll tell you all about that in the video right up there on the top. Subscribe, and that way you don't miss another video, and I will see you in the next video.